Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy KardiaChain Kai. Okay, so to buy it we are going to use KuCoin, and KuCoin is a crypto exchange, and when you go to KuCoin and search for Kai, you can see that it has Ethereum and Bitcoin pairings on KuCoin. Okay, so to sign up on KuCoin, click the link in description and sign up. After that, this is the page that you will see after you have signed up. Okay, so here you can straight up buy Kai tokens, and like I showed you, you either first have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, or deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum and then trade that asset into Kai, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you don't own any Bitcoin or Ethereum, all you have to do is go to buy crypto, go to third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin. When you click it, you can also buy Ethereum, whatever you want, but I'm going to use Bitcoin in this tutorial. So all you have to do is select how much you want to buy, then select it and click buy. And by the way, when you click USD, you can also select the currency that you want to pay with. Okay, so after that, when you complete the purchase, the Bitcoin or Ethereum will show up here in your main wallet. So KuCoin has two wallets, main and trading wallet. Okay, and by the way, if you own Bitcoin or Ethereum, here's where you can deposit it. Go to assets, main, and click deposit, and here you can deposit, like if you want to send Bitcoin or Ethereum, here you can get the address, your depositing address. Okay, so now you should own some Bitcoin or Ethereum, and they should be in your main wallet. And like I said, KuCoin has two different wallets, main and trading wallet. And when your cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can withdraw it, but you can't trade it. And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, that's when you can trade it, but you can't withdraw it. Okay, and the transferring between these two wallets is easy, instant, and free. All you have to do is click the cryptocurrency, click transfer, and like you can see, from main account to trading account, click how much you want to send, and then just confirm it. It will transfer instantly and it's free, and the same works vice versa. Okay, so that's how you transfer between wallets. So now you should transfer your Bitcoin or Ethereum into your trading wallet, because you want to trade that Bitcoin or Ethereum into Kai, and that's the way how you do it. So now you should have some Bitcoin or Ethereum on your trading wallet. So let's go to markets and search for Kai and click the pairing that you own. This method works for both, so it doesn't really matter which one you click, Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm going to go with Bitcoin. After that, click buy, and this is the order book. So this is how you read it. On the upper left corner where it says Kai/BTC, the one on the left, Kai, is the currency that you are buying, and the one on the right where it says BTC is the cryptocurrency that you are selling. So you're selling your Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever, both works, and that you either bought or deposited, and trading that into Kai. And to do that, check out the right side of my screen, and on the bottom you can see green numbers, and on the top you can see red numbers. The green numbers on the bottom are buying orders, so somebody is currently buying Kai also, and the one at the top, the red numbers, are selling orders. So what you have to look is sell orders, because you're also buying Kai. So when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest that somebody is currently selling their Kai. So when you click the bottom one, you will automatically get most coins, the most bang for your buck. Okay, so click the bottom one, and after that select how much Kai you want to buy. So you can either type it in here if you have a specific amount, or you can use this percent. So when you use like 50%, that means that you're selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into Kai. And when you go with like 100%, that means that you're selling all of your Bitcoins or Ethereums and trading that into Kai. After you have selected how much Kai you want to buy, just click buy Kai, and the trade will execute, and the Kai will show up in your wallet here. Okay, so now if you want to withdraw that Kai, keep it in your main wallet and click withdraw and search for Kai, and here you can see, click that, and here you can straight up withdraw your Kai tokens. Okay, now if you want to keep trading Kai, all you have to do is transfer it into your trading account, and that's how you can trade it. But that's how it works. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It would help me a lot. And if you have any problems with this, comment down below. I'm here to help you. And to sign up on KuCoin, click the link in the description. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.